Well, the news just gets worse by the day for the former clients of collapse broker BBY. The water that former owner Glenn Rosewall is in is getting close to boiling point. There have been sensational headlines following the collapse. KPMG's damning report found indications of major breaches of the Corporations Act, including that BBY may have traded whilst insolvent. The administrator also alleges a misuse of client funds and raised the spectre of potential fraud. Experts say it's not looking good.
We see insight into the view of KPMG that there was just poor governance, very inadequate financial records being kept, poor risk management, vitally important for a company such as BBY conducting complex financial services operations to have poor risk management and clearly also inadequate oversight of client monies.
Late yesterday, Administrator KPMG claimed $16 million is now missing from client trusts, not the $10 million previously estimated. KPMG warns that figure could rise again. On top of that, there are the millions lost through cancelled options trades that came as a result of the collapse. But why is the story of the collapse of a smallish broker garnering so much attention? There are unanswered questions about the role of regulators, the ASX and ASIC. According to the KPMG report, the ASX uncovered evidence as far back as December that BBY was misusing client funds. The ABC understands the matter was referred to ASIC at the time. Clients and the market, though, were left none the wiser until the firm's collapse.
What still remains to be investigated is whether there were so-called red flags that were being conveyed to regulatory agencies much earlier than that, much earlier than December 2014, possibly back to mid-2014 when, according to KPMG, it appears as though the companies were trading while they were insolvent.
While BBY clients await information on how much they're out of pocket, thoughts are already turning to compensation and retribution. Lawyers are rolling out their rugs ready for the picnic to retrieve client funds. And clients are also looking to apply to a fund that was set up to compensate out-of-pocket investors. The trouble is, it doesn't have a great record in paying out, like $0 in the past 2 years. Something else for the lawyers to have a scrap over.